Nick here, Reeves Customs. Today we're having a look at a truck from WPL Toys. This is their new D12. I'm sure many of you have already seen this all over the internet. Many people have picked these up. It's a great looking little truck, full hard metal, plastic body should I say, which I believe will be ABS. Proper windows in it, clear windows, wipers, good on interior in there, with steering wheel. You've got areas here for lights. They've actually got holes in them, so you can actually put LEDs in all of this if you want. Same with the back. I've just kept them as they are because I might put LEDs in them later. In the front, it's got headlights as well, which has got LEDs in them. And if you look underneath, I've tried to model this off a real sort of truck, so you'd have where your motor would be, back to your gearbox, drive shaft, and a little leaf spring diff here. So if you have a look underneath here, they've got quite a simulated drivetrain of a real truck. So obviously you'd have your normal motor would be up here, back to a gearbox, drive shaft, and a leaf spring diff, which does the job, considering it's very lightweight. In the back here, this is where your battery gets held, in the little, here, comes out. Nice easy way of doing it and keeping it hidden. So the tyres on these are actually just a solid rubber. There's no give in them at all. There's no inserts at all. There are 12mm adapters you can get, which we printed some of them out. Like these little things here. 5mm hex goes on the diff, 12mm on the other side. And you can take mini drift wheels and make them into a drifter. Some guys are running touring car wheels on them, which I think are a little bit out of scale. These are more to size. So obviously we're not planning on keeping the stock forever, but we get this out, we're going to give it a bit of a drive and we'll see what it's like. So we're back from giving it a bit of a drive. We did roll it a couple of times. There's quite a high centre of gravity considering it's all plastic body. The only real issue we managed to pop one of the lower arms, but that's only on a ball, which popped that back on. And also we had the drive shaft popped off just there in that little joiner. You see the little pin that goes through just there. But that was pretty easy to put back together. There is full upgrades for these. You can go pretty much from the gearbox back to the diff. You can get upgraded over to alloy if you really want to get carried away. Our plans with this is we might find some wheels that are a little bit wider and tub it, make it into a drag car. So keep an eye out for that video. Sort of next couple of weeks we're going to start sourcing some parts. So until the next video, have a good one.